2016 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.